and how you can create free AI using this AI tool that you can download a lot of videos, and you can create a lot of videos without even paying, without even spending a dime. Okay, you're going to learn how you can also turn your pictures into videos. So stay tuned. Me here, please don't forget to subscribe. Head over to your Apple Store or your Play Store and download this Greek AI, and you also download Meta AI, and you can sign up with your Google account, any other form of free that you want to sign up with, but I prefer signing up with Google account. And once you have already signed up with Google account or your Greek AI or Meta AI, head over to Meta AI. Then in this Meta, why I love this Meta AI, you can use Meta AI to do a lot. You can get videos from Meta AI, either upload it to your YouTube channel or upload it to your TikTok channel, but be careful when you upload it to your YouTube channel so that you not get banned. Then head over to this once you upload open the Meta AI, and tap on that blue button and head over to this Ask Anything. This is where you're going to put in your prompts, or you can also put in your voice notes. You can also use voice notes. Maybe you don't have strength to maybe you are busy, you're creating this AI videos, you are busy, maybe you can just use your voice or read it out to the AI, and it's going to completely type in whatever you say to the keyboard, to this Ask Anything. Or you can also type in to the inside the box, and it's gone. You can type, the funny part of it, you can type in broken words, broken English, like what you do here, what do you want, all those kind English, all those kind broken English. It might not be correct English, you can also say it and it's going to also respond. And then once you type in your prompt, it's going to generate your image for you. And once that image is generated, like me, I use this voiceover. Once that image is generated, choose one of the image that look exactly like what you want or what you want to create. Like me, I'm going to select one image from here. Which image am I going to select now? Okay, I'm going to try and select one image. Okay, let's use this. Then I'm going to select one image, go ahead and save the image, and go over to your Greek AI. And this Greek AI is absolutely free as well. It's a free AI. To that Imagine, if you go to that Imagine, go to type in, and put in image. Once you go to put in image, select the image that you just created from Meta AI, and after you select the image, it will pop up like this. After the image that you just created for AI, it pop up like this. Then tap on the screen. You tap on the screen. After you must have tapped on the screen, it's going to generate the video. I'm making the video talk. Just wait for a little bit. Put in your prompt. Like I said, my own, I said make him talk in a perfect lip sync face expression, and in Nigerian too. He said, I want to eat. Anybody with food, show me love now. This Nigeria no good for me. Then after I must have put in my prompt, click on this white button there. Click there. Once you click there, it's going to start generating your image, and that's how easy it is to generate image, as easy as ABCD. This particular video, people are making money from it. There is so many YouTube out there making money. I might tag some YouTube that is there making money from this particular video. Once it has once it's upload finish, you will see your video is going to be like this. It's going to show up. It's going to show up like this, and it's going to be perfect. The broken is going to, no speaking of wrong broken, the broken is going to be perfect, and the broken is going to be smooth. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube for more videos like this. All right, thanks, bye.